Hi everyone. I hope all of you are keeping fine, healthy, and safe at home. Today I have come here to explain the benefits of few kitchen items which are very important in our day-to-day life. We use them daily, in fact 3-4 times in a day, but we don't know the actual benefits hiding in them. So let's start. Any guesses what I am talking about? Yes, so it is spices and herbs. Spices and herbs have been in use since centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Spices are not only used to give color, aroma, and flavor to our food, but it can also protect us from many chronic diseases. There are enough of researches which show that spices possess antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic, and also glucose and cholesterol lowering properties. And also it helps improving brain function and cognition. So clearly, there is no exaggeration in saying that kitchen is our first ever pharmacy. So we have chosen 5 amazing and most commonly used spices in our kitchen. So let's start. Let's start with the king of spices, which was also called as black gold earlier. Yes, you got that right. I'm talking about black pepper. It not just enhances the flavor of your food but also the health quotient. Black pepper is rich in magnesium, vitamin K, iron, and fiber. It possesses antimicrobial, antioxidant, fever reducing, and immune boosting properties. It contains an essential oil which also helps to ease aching muscles and digestive issues. Black pepper plays an important role in absorption of some important nutrients. Also, it improves your brain function. And it can also help those people who want to quit smoking. Next is cinnamon, which is known for its exotic aroma and flavor. For this reason, it has been used as a spice and as a traditional herbal medicine. It is said to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and cholesterol lowering properties. It also mimics the action of insulin and helps in glucose metabolism, and for this reason it helps lowering the sugar levels. Next is garlic. Garlic is a herb that's grown all around the world. This is the herb which we add to our curries almost every day. Clinically, garlic has been proven to benefit in the prevention of many cardiovascular disorders, like it helps lowering down your cholesterol, it helps managing diabetes and hypertension, and also in the heart diseases which we call as atherosclerosis. All the therapeutic properties of garlic come from a chemical called as allicin, which gives it the characteristic smell. Allicin is released when we chop the garlic, so you always should give some time after chopping before you consume it so that enough of allicin is released. Next is cumin seeds or jeera. It gives distinctive flavor to the Indian curries and can also be added in curd preparations. It promotes the digestion by increasing the activity of digestive enzymes. It also increases the production of bile from the liver, which helps in the emulsification or digestion of fat. It has antioxidant properties and it is one of the richest sources of iron in food. Just 1 teaspoon of jeera can provide us 20% of the daily recommended iron requirement. Researchers have shown that if taken on a regular basis, jeera can help you to lose weight and to get better sugars. It can also improve your lipid profile and your total cholesterol can definitely go down. Last but not the least, turmeric, which has gained so much popularity nowadays as a superfood in order to boost your immunity in this COVID-19 outbreak. So, turmeric has a long past. It has been used in Ayurveda for more than 3000 years now. So commonly we use turmeric as a spice to be added in Indian curries to give the flavor, the aroma and the color. but now many people are using it in their own fancy way. So some people are calling it as haldi shots to boost up the immunity. Some people are taking it as golden milk in the night or at the bedtime. So whatever way you like, you can have, but the benefits of turmeric, nothing can beat them. It has healing properties, it has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial properties, and many studies have shown significant improvement in skin conditions using the turmeric, like acne, alopecia, dermatitis, psoriasis, and even vitiligo. So that's all for today. Spice up your food and life with these magical foods. Stay connected with us for more such informative videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you.